Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and space for the whole family without breaking the bank? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Latitude in granite crystal metallic. With halogen headlamps, cornering front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, black side roof rails, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 17,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, SIRIUSXM radio, dual zone temperature control, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5615.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.